POV, me wondering where to shoot my videos for documenting my 365-day journey to being a healthy millionaire.